Good afternoon, this is Riley Perry and Sue. We're doing some magic tricks and Riley's going to be doing it all. I'm just going to be supervising him. Okay, we're going to today make some magic wand lava. That uses red cabbage juice powder, citric acid, baking soda, vegetable oil, a test tube and stand, a medium plastic scoop, a small plastic scoop, and the magic wand without the stopper. We need some water and we need a butter knife to stir it. Can you go and get me a butter knife, please? Thank you. Now, while Riley's gone off to get the butter knife, I'll just give you an idea of what's going to happen. The oil floats on top of the water because it is less dense than water, just like, when you add the citric acid powder, it sinks to the bottom because it's more dense than both oil and water. The baking powder joins the citric acid in the bottom of the test tube and causes a bubbling chemical reaction. Since the citric acid is red and the baking soda is blue from the red cabbage juice powder, they mix at the bottom to create a colour-changing, bubbling potion. Okay, now, Riley, can you please get one of these? And can you fill it up with water to about there, please? Thank you. Just do it on the table so it won't spill. Now, is that too much?
Yeah, too much.
Good. Just put a tiny bit more. Thanks. No, a little bit more, Doc. Yep, that looks good. Now we're going to get some baking soda and we're going to stir the baking soda. So Riley, if you can get me the medium scoop, please. And can you put one of those into the water, please? Actually, it might be easier if we put that on there. You think?
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. Yep. Actually, we're going to have to turn it around this way, aren't we, so that the... Oh my goodness. Can you see it, Mr. Camera? Now, you're going to stir it, please. That's all good stirring. Good. Now we're going to get the, where is it? Red cabbage. There it is. Now can you get the small scoop? Thank you. And put a small scoop of in there as well. And then stir it too. That's it. And then stir it, please.
It's very dark.
It is, isn't it? Oh, goodness. And then I want you to oops. I'm just trying to open the vegetable oil. What's the matter, Tommy? Now, I want you to get this, and I want you to pour that in up to about there. Please. Slowly. Oh, look at the bottom. Right, Tommy, come over here and sit down and watch what's happening. Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay, that will do. Thank you. Now, good job. We might put the lid on this.
And shake it.
No, it doesn't say shaking it, mate. It just says, okay. But look how well, let's see if we can shake it. Do you want to have a see if you can shake it?
Yeah.
Please? Let's make sure that's it. Is it working? Is it mixing?
Yeah.
It is? Okay, now, that might be enough, I think, Bub.
Oh, look how sparkly it is.
Yes. Now you're going to get where's your wand? There's the wand. And then say some magic words over it, please.
Wait, not this one.
No, I want you to get that, and I want you to go abracadabra, zamity zoos, and make up your own magic words, okay? Come on.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, that'll be fine. Now, can you take the lid off that for me, please?
Yeah.
Yep. And then get your medium scoop,
Medium scoop.
and then put one medium scoop, one of those. A bit more than that, because this is acid. No.
Oh.
That's okay. That's what we've got the table for. Okay, put that in and then come back and get a little bit more. A little bit more. Oh, look at the colour. Good. Now we're going to watch it go a different colour. Maybe we put the lid on. Look at the colour. Oh, look. Did you want to hold it up to the camera, please? Put it inside. No, put it in the front here so they can see. Now look at the colours. I wonder if you shook it, what would happen? Just make sure. Yeah, that's it. Then okay. It's not mixing though, is it? Is it mixing?
No.
It's not, is it?
Can you just put a little bit more?
Bit more acid in, no. But look at what are the different colours there.
Dark blue, light blue, pink.
Pink. It looks very interesting, doesn't it, Riley?
Yeah.
Hey?
Send it to Mummy.
Now, the next one we're going to do is...
I'm not allowed to eat this.
No. What about some Hocus Pocus powder?
Yes.
Okay, next one we're going to do is the Hocus Pocus powder. And what we have in the kit is citric acid, baking soda, red cabbage juice powder, two of these, a medium scoop. Can you show the medium scoop? Medium scoop, the small scoop, and the wizard wand. Okay, now I want you to fill up 2 of these with water, please.
Fill it out right to the top.
Up to about there.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Now if you need to take them out, that's it, good.
Where?
Up to about there.
Okay.
Okay. It's still staying like this, look. Colours haven't moved. I'm just going to do an experiment, see if I can shake it. Oh.
And there?
Yep, that's good. Dear, oh dear. Wow, that wasn't planned, was it?
It's
That one. Now put that back in, and then you can do another one, please.
It's
Whoa!
bubbling.
Whoa! It's bubbling over.
Oh, that's a shame.
Yeah, but we'll see what happens if it goes back to... Maybe if I take the lid off. Stand back.
Oh. Oh.
Wow.
What's
Now,
it's gonna spill?
you right? Keep going. A little bit more. That's it. Good job. Okay, now we're going to get a small cabbage juice. Cabbage. There it is. I want you to get one scoop, one small scoop, and put it in each of the containers, please. Just yep, okay. One. Oh, look at it. Isn't that nice?
It's flat.
Oops. And two. Good. Now,
Oh, look.
yes, but don't stir it yet. Watch the marvellous purple powder. Is it purple? Yeah, it is kind of purple. It's spooky. Now, stir the test tubes with the knife to mix the powder really, really well, because there's lots of powder on the bottom. Okay, now maybe lift it up and see if it's in... Yep, that's good stirring. Now what about the other one? Okay, good, well done. Now we're going to get some baking soda and we're going to put a medium scoop in only one of them, okay? So which one are you going to put it in? That one? Okay, just pour it in there.
Now mix it.
No, that should... Look what colour it's turning.
Dark blue.
Yes. Now we're going to... This magic purple liquid can do to the second.
If we had duct tape, we can pour it into here. Like
Yes, so it'd be good, wouldn't it? But we haven't got any, unfortunately. Now we're going to get some...
what? Oh, maybe I do.
No, that's okay.
The
Riley? No,
green one.
no, it's okay. Now we're going to get some citric acid. Is that the citric acid? No, that's not. That's the red cabbage. Now here's the citric acid. I want you to get medium scoop. Yep, to that one there, please. Bit more. Bit more. Now what's it? Oh, look.
Whoa. Oh, 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 oh,
No,
oh.
it's okay.
Please spilled.
But look what colour it's turned again. No, we don't need any more. We're seeing what we're doing. Look what colour it's turned. It's turned back into the red. Hasn't it?
Yeah.
Isn't that exciting?
It's fizzy.
Hey?
It's fizzy.
It's busy, yes.
That one's not really good because it's
No.
spilled.
That's the one that we put the...
What about this one?
We put the red cabbage juice into. We put the red cabbage juice into this one and this one. And then we put baking soda, no. We put baking soda into, no, what? Still two. Ah, yeah. Let's do watch the. Okay, I'm getting confused here. And we put baking soda into, yes, we put baking soda, one medium scoop of baking soda into this one, and it turned it purple, didn't it?
Yeah.
Then we put some citric acid into that one there and turned it back into
Purple.
from
Red.
purple to red.
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Now we've got one more experiment to do. Would you like to do one more?
Yes.
Yes?
In that one.
In that one? What about
I'll just close the lid
good job?
so I don't spill it on me.
That's fine, that's good. You might pay to put the lids on these two as well. What do you think?
Yeah.
Being a bit safe? Okay. There's one, and there's the other one. Now for ease for you, we might take this one out here. We might put that in the middle so that it'll be safe. That's citric acid. That's really leaking, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now take the lid off. Now, oh, okay, this one here we've got to fill it with oil. Oh. Okay, we've got to half fill it with oil. Okay, so just fill it up to there. But the thing with vegetable oil is Mum will have some of that to cook with as well. Okay, that will do. Make sure it's all out. That's it, good job. Now what we're going to use our coloured tablets. Where are they? There they are. Add some water to this test tube too, please.
Water there?
Warm water. Okay, just add a little bit of water. That's it.
Whoa.
Now, see how the oil sits on top of the water?
Yeah.
Okay. There's the water there, and there's the oil sitting on top of there. Now we've got to go and get some warm water.
Okay.
Can you get some warm water, please? Now this one here is called the test tube crystal ball. The real wizards can see into the future. Now you can too.
Oh.
What happened?
It's alright.
Okay. With the help of some custom-made test tube crystal balls. We're going to use vegetable oil, colour tablets, a test tube, stand and water. Warm water now. Now we've filled the test tube half full of oil. We added some water to the test tube and we see how the oil sits on top of the water. It's still sitting on top of the water. Is it coming, Riley? Okay. Now we're going to drop a blue magic tablet.
You want to pour it in there?
Want me to pour it in, or can you do it? Do it up to the nearly full. Okay, up to there if you can, please. Good. A little bit more. A little bit more. That's it. Good.
Then can I put it in?
Of course you can. We're going to put a blue one in because that's what they told us to do. There's a blue tablet. Now, wait. Drop the blue tablet into there. Screw on the cap to the test tube very tightly so the liquid can't come out like that one. Okay? And then, what's going to happen? The colour bubble like lava in the...
It's going back up.
Yeah.
Oh, it's white in the water. It's going like blue.
Now,
Look.
turn the test tube over, take the test tube out, and then turn it over a few times. There. That's it. Woo! Look at that. And then back. Then back. Okay, now put it down and we'll see what's going to happen.
It's gone blue.
Yeah. Now you should be able to look into there and tell the future. But look what's happening down the bottom.
Going down blue.
Yeah.
This is going a little bit greenish.
It is, yes.
The blue's fighting it. That's all the oil.
Yeah.
And that's all the water, and the water's going blue. It's fighting.
Oh, look, it's bubbling. And so the oil is being pushed up by the water. Look how it's bubbling.
Oh yeah.
What I might do is pick it up and take it over here so that the camera and so the water's pushing all the oil up, isn't it? Would you like to tip it over and do it again, see what happens? Now, shake it, move it back, that's it. There's a blob in there, isn't there? Okay, now we'll watch it again and see what happens. And this will be the end of our experiment for today. Thank you, Riley, for your enthusiasm and your participation. Now, would you like to say good night to the camera, please?
Good night, camera.
Good night. Thank you.